Well, here goes my recipe for my favorite rice to make on the Tiger, coconut rice. I get regular, it could be basmati or any regular white rice work for it. But what we do is we wash the rice thoroughly. So we try to get all that starch and all that little pebbles and rocks that sometimes you find in the rice. We washed it thoroughly with this plate that is designed for washing rice. It's a rice washing plate. Then we put some coconut oil, and the coconut oil is what gives it the taste. It's really, really nice and sweet. I mean, we think it's sweet, but it's not really sweet. This is just coconut oil. Coconut oil is amazing because it's content of MCT and because it doesn't promote inflammation. So it's the best way of cooking when it comes to culinary, uh, healthy culinary recipes. Now we'll put the rice in the rice cooker. It has some water, and then we're gonna put some salt, right? And then we're gonna add that coconut oil that we had put in the microwave to melt. And we stir it, put it in there. We make sure it has the right amount of water so that it doesn't get mushy. If it has too much water, it will get mushy. So we're measuring it according to the lines on the tiger itself. And then we add the oil and we stir that water and that oil so that it's like it is evenly spread in the mix, right? So that, I mean, water and oil don't mix, but of course we try to do a good job.